Ladies and gentlemen, hello. I have a special announcement to make. Oh, very exciting. It's all about my weight loss and my targets. It's the big one. Welcome to the Liz and Skatz channel. Hello, I'm Skatz. You probably know that already. There's only two of us, Liz and Skatz, and I'm the Skatz. So, it's announcement day. All of this week, Liz and I have been fasting. We've done a prolonged fast. It's come to the end of it, and it's made quite an impact on my weight. As most of you know, I have beaten my diabetes with a keto and fasting lifestyle, and Liz has been joining me on this keto and fasting lifestyle and losing weight too. And we've both been gaining lots and lots of health. In the process of doing that, we've been helping you to achieve some of the goals that we're achieving too. So help us to help you by doing this. Subscribe, and click on the bell. So hello, Keto Bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. It's time for the big announcement. This is just a really short video, and I hope you stay to the end because that's when the announcement's going to be. Just before I do that, a quick reminder that we are going to be doing live streams, hopefully every Wednesday evening from now on. The last live stream we did was last night. We had a great time. Now, we watched it back and the picture was really good, but it kept stopping and jittering. The sound was really good. Now I'm going to try and rectify that so that by next week it's all working correctly. I need to do a little tweaking, some tweaking. Oh, tweaking is good. Also, put some comments below and click on that like button. We like that. Do you like it too? Oh yes, click on the like or click on the don't like. I don't care. Just click on something. Clickety-clickety-click. It's been an exceptional week and we've been putting out videos every single day, and we did a live stream, our very first live stream, and everything's brilliant. Even the weather is very sunny outside. I've got the blinds closed at the moment because if I open the blinds in here it just blasts me with light, and you just get this little round thing here. And that's all you can see. One last little thing before I come to the announcement. Affiliate links. We've told you about these before and we're going to keep on going on about them because that's the way we fund what we're doing. And of course, you watching these videos to the very end and subscribing, all of that is going to do wonders for our channel, and in that way we can do wonders for you by helping you to achieve more health. Please help us and we'll help you. Help us, we'll help you. It's back and forth, you know. It's win-win. Like that and like that. It's wonderful. Everything is wonderful. So what are affiliate links? You probably already know this already, so skip ahead if you know this. But affiliate links are the links to the things that we use, like the camera and the microphone, and the things that we wear when we're going hiking, like the boots and the lovely Tilly hats. If you click on the affiliate links and buy one of the things that we've got listed there, then we get a little bit of commission. And you don't have to pay any more for those things, and you might even get a discount. So everything is rosy and it's a win-win. And of course, you can buy some of these things for Christmas. Woo! Christmas presents. We also have a merchandise page, and if you look in the description below you can find the link to that. We've got some lovely t-shirts, especially the one that says Ting! That's my favourite. But we've got Halloween ones, we've got Thanksgiving ones for you Americans, and we've also got some Christmas ones that are in the planning, but we're not going to release those until November because it's a little bit too early in October and we don't want to get you annoyed with all of these Christmas things coming out too early. Do we now? No, we don't. And the other thing we're doing is we're starting a Patreon page, and that's where patronage happens. You remember when people used to do patronage? When kings and queens and princes used to pay musicians and artists and all kinds of people to do artistic things for them. That's how they would keep working and keep alive and keep eating. Not like we're doing. We're fasting and getting no money. Not yet. But if you go to our Patreon site, you can get some marvellous things if you make a regular payment. That's what it's all about. And if you go to the Patreon page link, which I think is in the description below now, or it will be very soon, then you can find out all about it. So now to the big announcement at last. Thanks for listening through all of the stuff that we have to tell you every time. You're very patient. Thank you for that. So the announcement is, this morning I got on the scales and weighed myself, and I have reached my target weight. In fact, I've gone beyond my target weight. I just plummeted down from the weight I was yesterday because of this fast. There's always a bit of a plummet goes on for 1 or 2 of these days on the fast. And now I am below 147 pounds. I was 217 pounds when I started. So that is 70 pounds I have lost, which I believe is 5 stone in weight. That's enormous. I don't quite know what to think of it. I mean, I've been doing this now for the whole of the year. It's been a mad year. There's been coronavirus. My father died. I was told that I had to go on drugs for my diabetes. And then I've gone through this whole journey with Liz, supporting me all the way, and her losing weight on the way as well. And she's got an announcement coming up of how much she's lost, and that's amazing too. Now we've got to this point where I've beaten my diabetes, I've reached my target weight and gone slightly beyond it, and I lost 70 pounds, and that's 5 stone, and it's all amazing. And the thing is, I'm right at the end of a long fast, which means I've got a really calm brain. And I've got this sense of calm around me, but I've got this sense of excitement too. They're fighting each other. I want to jump up and down, but I'm really chilled out at the same time. Anyway, it's making me very happy. It also puts me in a better position to help you, because now I have more information. I've got all of this experience now that I can share with you, and so has Liz. And we're going to carry on learning. We're not stopping here. I mean, I'm going to stop losing weight, obviously. I'm going to go on to maintenance now, and that's going to be a slightly different situation. I just have to adjust what I eat. We've even been talking today about buying some xanthan gum. Now, we've never used xanthan gum before, but it's nice for thickening sauces. It's also good for making bread, keto bread. Now, bread is my nemesis, and it's one of the things that made me diabetic, really. I know I made me diabetic by eating the wrong foods, but that was one of the things that I was addicted to, the bread. Absolutely love bread. I'm a bit dubious about eating bread again, but if there's a keto bread that I can have occasionally, well, maybe I'll try it on this maintenance part of the diet. Let's see if I can break that addiction and just have a little bit. So thank you for listening to the end. I hope you enjoyed the announcement. I hope you're getting something from this, getting some value from this video. If you are, then click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell. Ding! I will see you in the next video. Peace and love to all of you, and be chilled. Bye.